Guys, it's me, Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different. Today, I wanted to come and do something that's been kind of on my heart for the past couple of months, actually, but I finally decided to go ahead and get it done. But before I get into the details of this video, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, to my family, my YouTube family. Thank you so much for joining in. And if this is your first video of your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I hope you stick around. So today I wanted to bring something to you guys. Like I said, it's something I wanted to do here in the past couple of months. So I've been here on YouTube for about 2 years. My journey has been great. It's amazing to be able to connect with so many of you that share the same interests that I do, and we've connected here on YouTube. YouTube is it's just like a big family of people that have the same interests. You know, it's literally like you have your own community. You have your makeup community, you have your fashion community, you have your gaming community, and then you have your home decor community. So I have just been enjoying this experience and just seeing my channel grow. And it's not necessarily just seeing the numbers grow, but just knowing that my content is reaching other people and people are enjoying what I'm putting out. You know, if you do YouTube videos, if you're a creator here, you know that doing this is like work. Really, you have to plan it out. You have to take time to record, and sometimes multiple takes of the same video. I think this is my third take of this video. So it takes time, and then after all of that, you have to go and edit it and all of that stuff. So this can really be like work. So when people, enjoy your work, enjoy your content, that's so refreshing, and it's awesome to see. So I am so thankful to see so many of you are enjoying my content, and you have decided to subscribe to the channel so you see it every time I put it out. So thank you so much, guys. And so I've been thinking, how can I give back? How can I be a blessing to some of the other members of this home decor YouTube family, right? So I was thinking about other channels that may not be getting the same exposure as bigger channels, but are putting out great content, and content I believe that you would truly enjoy. So I decided to introduce to you a few channels that I've come across that I want you to take a look at. If you have not heard of them, I would love for you to just go. I will leave all of their channel links below. I would love for you to go check out their channel, go check out a couple of their videos. And if you enjoy what you see, guys, just subscribe. That's all I'm asking. Be a blessing on my behalf by just adding to their personal family, their personal YouTube family. Just go ahead and subscribe. Some of them have been around for a couple of months. I think maybe one has been here for a little over a year, but they all have been here about a year or less, or as far as uploading videos. And then all of them have less than 10,000 subscribers. I was thinking about making this like a collaboration type of video, but I decided not to. If you want to do this on your channel, please do. It only takes, just finding 3 channels that you have come across that you think others will love, that are 10,000 or less than 10,000 subscribers, and you feel like, they deserve more exposure, because we all know how YouTube works, okay? So I'm not going to get into all of that, but just wanting to, put them out there so more people can see them. So I wanted to do that for these 3 ladies in this video. There are more that I want to introduce to you. I'm hoping that I can get some confirmation, because I did check to make sure that this was okay first. So I'm waiting for some confirmation from a few other channels. But once I get that, I hope that I can do another one next month. But, if you want to do a similar video, please do, guys. Just a way of giving back and supporting those that are in our community, in our home decor, DIY, crafting, all of that. in that community. So this is my way of giving back. And all I ask, guys, if you love what you see, just subscribe. Be a blessing on my behalf, okay? So I have my notes so I don't miss anyone, but I want to go ahead and introduce to you my first channel, which is T Leaper.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Feel free to subscribe.
I will go ahead and tell you, I do know her personally, okay? I do know her personally. Still, that has nothing to do with why I'm introducing her. I'm introducing her to you guys because her content is great. What she does as far as her work is great. She is also a photographer, so she looks through the camera with that type of scope. You know, she's very meticulous with how she shoots and everything, so even her content, her video is presented nicely. She's very creative. She can take a table and transform it, and yeah, she does great with refurbishing furniture. Like I said, she's a DIYer. Sometimes her husband Chris joins her, and you know they will refurbish like a table or something together, or do a tag. You will love her channel. She's funny.
Most likely not to listen.
I mean, it's not really not listening.
Yes, it is. Y'all, let me tell you this one time I'm having a conversation. Okay, it wasn't a very important conversation, but I'm over here pouring my heart out to my husband. Actually, I was talking about mascara, but I was like, yeah, Sade wanted to borrow my mascara, and then I turned around and he was on his phone, literally like listening to his phone. Bruh, I'm talking to you.
She's kind. You can sense all of that through her videos. And like I said, yes, I do know her, but I'm sharing her video, sharing her channel with you guys because it's really just a nice channel. You will love her channel. So I would say go check out Miss T Leaper and take a look at some of her videos, and you will see her personality come through. You can tell she's just a sweetheart, and that's just who she is. Go ahead, take a look at her videos, subscribe, and let her know that Kelia sent you. All right, and then like I said, she's been on here for less than a year. Right now, she is at 234 subscribers, and when you watch her content, you will see why I have her on this list, because she deserves that exposure. She does great work. So go check her out. Next, I have Simple Yet Chic. Guys, when I tell you, like, her decor is gorgeous. I came across her channel, it was because of I want to say a tablescape. It was either the tablescape or it was the Christmas tree that she did last year.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you how I decorated my Christmas tree.
Her tree, gorgeous. Her home decor, gorgeous. The way that she does like her front porch for different seasons, awesome. She does cooking videos. She has done some DIY. She does upload regularly, so you will absolutely love her channel. Her name is Antoinette, and also she is on Instagram as well as T Leaper. So I will include all that information down in my description box if you guys want to connect with them outside of YouTube. But her channel is awesome, beautiful decor. She's really sweet, and so I think you would truly enjoy her videos as well. So go check it out. If you love what you see, just take the moment and subscribe. Support our sisters, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let her know that Kelia sent you, okay? Like I said, you guys are just going to bless me by being a blessing to these ladies and their channel. So go ahead and subscribe, show them your support. And then last but not least, you've probably heard of her because she's been around. You've probably seen her participate in some collabs. And her name has probably come up in some other videos that you've heard, but Kenya's Decor Corner.
Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I have started putting up my Christmas decorations, And I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by...
Guys, beautiful channel. She uploads regularly. She uploads home decor. She does cooking. What else? She has some lifestyle type videos. She does hauls, but just, I mean, her decor, on point, very creative, beautiful spirit. And yeah, I think you guys would truly enjoy her channel as well. Kenya, she is right under 10,000, y'all. She is around 9,200 subscribers. So guys, if y'all can make my day and go ahead and push her up to 10, that would be awesome by the end of the year or something. I'm just saying. So if you truly enjoy these channels, guys, go check them out. And like I said, this is the month of giving back, being a blessing to others. So go ahead, subscribe, and just make these ladies' day. I hope to come back to you with more channels. Like I said, I'm waiting for some confirmations because I want to make sure that I let these ladies know that I am, pushing out their channels to all of my family here. And I want to let them know that I'm just here to support. I want to be a blessing to them. So if you know of some channels that are, like I said, less than 10,000 subscribers, that's been around, that uploads regularly, produce great content, drop them down in my comments. If you have a channel that you're trying to get going and you are producing content, drop your channel down, and then hopefully this could be something that, that continues. Maybe I can do 3 channels a month or something like that. And then, like I said, guys, if you would love to do this, please do it. Share it with your YouTube family as well, of some channels that have less than 10,000 subscribers. Just saying, you can, shout your girl out if you decide. It's no pressure. It's no pressure at all. It's no pressure. So anyway, guys, just kidding. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you go and support these 3 sisters here. Give back this month and every month. We should always give back and be a blessing to others. But this month of Thanksgiving, it's that time of just really being in the mindset of giving back, being a blessing, and just being grateful and thankful. I'm always grateful and thankful. I'm especially grateful and thankful during this time of the year. And so, yes, so thank you so much, guys, again, seriously, for all of your support, all of your love, all of your positivity. I've never had to check anybody in the comments because you guys have been so sweet, I'm just thankful, guys. So thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. And I'm looking forward to meeting the rest of my family that hasn't, found their way home yet. I look forward to meeting you guys as well. And you will be seeing a lot more of me. I have a whole lineup, y'all, that I'm trying to be persistent here and consistent getting these videos out to you all. This is my favorite time of the year, but I'm trying to get in a routine, and then hopefully even after the whole holidays and all of that is gone, I'll still be able to come to you and bring regular content. So thank you so much for your support as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.